Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to this lesson. My name is Maryam and I'm going to teach you about nouns. Okay dear friends, because nouns are very important in English. If you want to learn English or if you want to speak English, so you need to know different types of nouns. Okay, let's get started our today's lesson with defining noun. So dear friends, what is noun? Noun represent people, places, things, or ideas. Generally, noun acts or represent these things. Let me be clear for all of you by giving these examples. For example, people. When we talk about people, you can say teacher, students, Ahmad, man. These all things are called noun. For places, for example, city, country, school, houses. This is also called noun that represent places. Things, like pen, book, marker, table, that acts for things. Ideas, like freedom, love, bravery. These are called nouns. Okay, dear friends, let's study types of nouns. As you all know that there are different types of nouns in English. They divided in different categories. But basically, we're going to study two types of nouns. Number one, proper noun. What do you think of proper noun? What kind of noun is it? When you think of proper noun, we can say that is a noun which is specifically name people, places, or things. We can say that it belongs to a particular person or particular thing or particular places. It is specific, it talks about particular things. So let me give you an example about it. When we talk about people, we can say Ali, or Bill, or Sarah, or Elena. They're all called proper nouns. For places, we can name a place like Herat, America, London, and etc. For things, you can say things can be a phone. A phone can be a common noun, but if you say the name of the phone, like iPhone, it is a proper noun, or computer. Computer itself is a common noun, but if we say the name of the computer, HP or Dell, this is called proper noun. Okay, and one thing about dear friends, pay attention that you have to use the capital letters for all proper nouns. I mean, all the proper nouns should be capitalized. No problem about this one. So let's study about common noun. What is common noun? It is a noun which refers to a general category of people, place, or things. General category of these things. We can name any places, anything, or anyone. Generally, we can talk in common noun. Let me give you an example about it. People. When we're talking about people, we can say doctor. Anybody can be a doctor. Or we can talk about, manager. And for things, we can say like chair, apple, rice. They're all called common noun, and which refers to anything. Places like village, like school, houses. So these are all school, houses, homes. They're all called common noun. Okay, dear friends. You may think in your mind what are the difference between common noun and proper noun. Let me give you some differences. The differences between common noun and proper noun, I've already mentioned here that common noun, you know, that is a noun that you're going to talk about it generally. We name the people or thing generally. So it has two forms, we can say. Either it has singular form or plural form. Then you can use it. Oh, when I'm talking, for example, when I'm talking about book, it is singular form. I can say books. It is plural form of that. And the next difference is article. You know, article. We have two definite and indefinite article that we can use both of them with common noun. And the next one is small letter. When you think of small letter, it means you can use it with all common noun, the small letter, unless you use them at the beginning of your sentence or at the first of your sentence. You have to use the capital letter of common noun. And proper noun has only one form, dear friends. That is not singular form, because we cannot pluralize the proper noun. Just we can say it has only one form. When I'm talking about, for example, Afghanistan. Okay, we cannot say Afghanistan's, because it has only one form, that is singular form. And capital letter, as I mentioned here, that whenever you're using proper noun, you need to use the capital letter. That is, if you use the small letter, it is totally wrong. Grammatically, it is going to be wrong. So please try to pay attention to use the plural capital letter for proper nouns. We have a practice sentence here, dear friends. So let's identify the nouns in this example. So you have to find it out. How many nouns do we have in this example? What do you think? So let's begin with the first one. Ellen has a beautiful iPhone from Apple company. His phone works well, and he calls his friend all the time. In first example, or at the first example, Ellen is a noun. What kind of noun is it? Can you tell me? Okay, this is called proper noun, because Ellen is a person. It talks about a specific person, and also it starts with the capital letter. iPhone is a thing. It is a kind of phone. We're not talking about the name of the phone. It is going to be proper noun, because it is a special phone. Proper noun is also proper noun. Is also proper noun. Okay. From Apple company. Apple company is a compound noun. What do you think? What kind of noun is it? Okay. This is also called proper noun. It starts with capital letters, and it shows a specific place. Please pay attention very carefully. In the first example, Ellen is a person, a specific person, proper noun. iPhone is a thing, a specific thing. And Apple company is a place, also a specific place that we talk about it, okay? And his phone works well. In second example, what do you think? Which one is noun? Let me give you. Yeah, phone is. What kind of noun is it now? Oh, I'm sure we are going to say common noun, because all phones are common except your noun, your name. And he calls his friends all the time. In this example, we can say that friend or friends is a common noun. Yes, we talk about it. Okay, I hope you understand it very well. This was about our example. Okay, now let's discuss about, or let's review about singular and plural nouns. What do you think of them? Dear friends, when you talk about singular noun, it is a noun, it's only one. Or just in singular noun, we can talk about nouns individually, because they have only one form. It is only one, not more than one. Like cat, like book or class, fox, quiz, school, or team. They are all called singular nouns that they act individually, only one. And the next one is plural nouns. What is plural noun? A noun which is made of more than 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to pluralize them by adding s or es at the end of them. So, difference, for example, cat, cats, book, books, or we can say class, classes, fox, foxes, quiz, quizzes, school, schools, or team, teams. These are called these are called plural nouns. So, dear friends, when you're pluralizing some nouns, so you're going to add s or es at the end of noun. So when you, in terms of pronunciation, so it's going to create three beautiful sounds. For example, it's going to sound like S or Z or is. For when you are going to pluralize your nouns, you come up to these sounds. So as I have already mentioned the sounds here, let's practice together these sounds. For example, cats. And the cats. Books. Again, S. Classes. Is. Foxes. Fox. Foxes. Is. Quiz. Quizzes. The next one. Schools. Schools. Teams. Teams. Okay, dear friends, we come up to the end of our video, to the end of our lesson. I hope this lesson would be enjoyable for you, and goodbye. See you next time.